Okay, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and one thing you need to know before we get into this video is the keyboard that I will be taking apart today is the same keyboard that I got in the tech unboxing video that I did about a month ago. But anyway, I took apart the keyboard like that night. Like I'm not just about to take apart the keyboard. I took it apart like a month ago. And I haven't edited or filmed an intro yet because, you know, I went off to Europe. If you want to watch those Europe videos, just click the card right up here, or I don't know, it'll be somewhere in this general direction. Another thing is you may notice that I'm using a different background in my videos now, and yeah, basically I rearranged my room, so my bed would normally be right here where I'm filming, and it's over there now. And the trees actually look like really good in the background when I focused it. But anyway, videos coming on how I rearranged my room and my new setup and stuff. It's actually the same, it's just in a different location. Yeah, I think that's all you need to know before we get into the video. So let's see if I can take apart my keyboard and put it back together. I mean, obviously I can take it apart, but let's see if I can put my keyboard back together. So I'll see you in the outro. Okay, so we're gonna try this out. I like to keep all my boxes up in my closet just in case I need them again. Here we go. We have my keycap taker offer. We're going to see if I can do this or not. I'm not exactly sure if I'll be able to. Alright, so here we go. There we go. Okay, so this is what a keyboard looks like with no keys on it. Oh, their backlighting is surprisingly bright. Okay, so time to put this back together. So I think I'm gonna start with the obvious one, the space bar. I think I can guess where that goes. Caps lock, it's already face up. Actually, there's two caps locks. No, there's one. What am I saying? Okay, so short shift goes over here, the long shift goes there. That's gonna go there. Delete, I know that goes there because I edit with the delete button. This is taking a lot longer to put together than I thought. It's taking a very long time. Computer's getting messed up again. And the keyboard is actually starting to kind of look like a keyboard again. All the letters are back on the keyboard. Last key happens to be the equals plus key. There we go. Done putting that together. That took a lot longer than I thought. It took a total of about 15 minutes. I thought it'd take longer to take off the keys than to put it back together, but I was wrong. I am not taking all the keys off my keyboard again because that took a long time. Okay, so I did manage to put my keyboard back together. I already knew that because, as I said earlier, this is like a month later. I just really wanted to do that because I kind of really wanted to see what it looked like with no keycaps on it. I know what it looks like when it only has one keycap taken off. I wanted to see if I could put it back together with all the keycaps taken off, and it worked, and I actually had a picture. Just in case I didn't know where any of the keys went, I didn't memorize the keys. Like, I know where the home button went. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and hit that bell so you can get notified every time Okay, so make sure you smash the bell because the post notifs will be turned on, and then you'll get notified every time I upload, and you can click on the notif, and it'll bring you right to my video. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.